They've said, oh, well, it's not a social construct because almost everyone fits in without human intervention. It's like, it's just so poor. It just seems like one of these arguments where you're like, well, I'm definitely true. Ignore the exceptions. And like,
yeah,
that's just rubbish.
and this is something that kind of gets on my nerves with these arguments, is the idea that there is one keystone factor that will assign you to one of the two categories. Like, because if you try to talk to them and say, well, these are the factors involved. You have, from the biology perspective, we have multiple categories of sex. We have chromosomal, so your genotype. You have how you appear, your phenotype, and your phenotype is broken down even into your internal phenotype and your external phenotype, because those anatomies don't always align. But that's going to be your anatomical sex. And you have your hormonal sex, which can be different than those other two. So we don't have this one thing that makes you a certain sex. And they like to say, well, but those are just characteristics. That's not what sex is. Like, but sex is just characteristics. That's what we are using to classify people is characteristics. And they say, well, but what is the one thing that makes all the other things happen? Like, but there isn't one thing that makes all the other things happen.